So, in this video, I'll show you the YouTube Evergreen Niches. But, what is Evergreen in YouTube? Evergreen content on YouTube refers to videos that remain relevant and valuable to viewers over an extended period, often for years or even indefinitely. These types of videos are not tied to a particular event or trend and can be watched and enjoyed by viewers regardless of when they were published. So it is a good idea to make a channel that will make money even for our grandchildren. In the Evergreen category, we have 8 niches, and the first one is relationship. This channel is about relationship, and as you can see, they published a video 3 years ago and still gets 20 to 100 views per hour. And making this video is very easy. We just need some stock footage and a free video editor like CapCut or Canva, and for free stock footage you can use Pexels and Pixabay. According to Social Blade, this channel has 700,000 views per month, which can earn $3,000 per month. The second niche is movies and games review. You can see the exact same thing in Chris Stuckman channel. He just finds the trend movie or game and then makes a video about it. And as you can see, this channel only uses game and movie footage with fair use policy and adds its own voice over it. According to Social Blade, this channel makes $15,000 every month. The third niche is about health. For this niche, I found 2 type channels. The first one is Body Hub, that makes video about health and fitness. The second one is Natural Cures, which make videos about health information and tips for people looking natural ways to prevent, treat, and heal ailments. Both channels use stock footage that you can find on Pexels and Pixabay. And this channel has 1.7 million views every month. And if we consider the RPM of the channel around $10, this channel earns $17,000 every month. The fourth niche is personal development. Improvement Pill is a good example for this niche. As you can see, this channel makes videos about personal development, and he creates whiteboard animations that you can create with Powtoon or Doodly. According to Social Blade, this channel gets 1.7 million views every month. And because RPM of this channel is also around $10, it may earn $17,000 every month. The fifth niche is Charisma. Charisma on Command is the channel that creates this type of videos. The only thing you need for this type of channel is a good script and some stock footage. But for better result, you can use movies footage like this channel. And be careful to use footage from movies in the framework of fair use so that you don't face the copyright problem. And as you can see, this channel has received 6 million views in the last 30 days and makes $24,000. The sixth niche is cooking and natura. If you are interested in cooking, this niche is for you. All you need is interest and a smartphone, and you don't even need to speak in the video. Just take a video of your cooking and upload it to YouTube. Also, you don't need a professional editor. You can use CapCut to edit and cut videos. I can give an example of the channel of this man who cooks in nature, and nowadays this style has become very trendy, and if you make a good video, you can easily grow on YouTube. And this channel has received more than 4 million views in the past 30 days, which shows that this topic is really popular. The seventh niche is tutorials. This is the best and most promising niche. You can make a tutorial video on anything you are good at. In addition to high RPM, this niche has many sponsors. For example, this channel Skills Factory is doing the same. All you need for this niche is a screen recorder, which you can use OBS for PC and Riv Screen Recorder for mobile. And the best thing is to teach a free software like CapCut because it has many users. The RPM of this type of channel is between $10 to $20, and this channel may make $10,000 every month. The last niche of this category is language. If you know more than one language and want to start YouTube, this niche is for you. For example, your native language is French and you know English too. You can create a French channel that teaches English. Or if your English is perfect, you can create a channel like this. As you can see, this channel teaches English. This channel uses animations for videos, and making this animation is very easy because they use Animaker software that can make animation very easy. They only tell stories and use important English sentences and words in the story. And this channel gets 2.4 million views every month, which is very good because the CPM of this type of channel is very high. But I made a complete video of all YouTube niches, and I am going to make a separate video for each category. And the next video is about high CPM niches. So if you're interested, subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.